It's your girl Isaiah. It's your boy Kaven.
It's your girl Smokey behind the camera, you guys, and we are back with another video.
Yeah, it's snowing again. I like snow. I like big, huge snow.
Look at this, you
Like
guys.
smash.
Woo, look at all this snow we got.
Guys, let me tell you something. Guys, I can see Kim's underwear.
That ain't no secret, guys.
But don't tell nobody. There's comment in the comments. Oh! 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 Just see.
No cap, it looks like it's still coming down though. Well, y'all, we are in East Texas. For those, oh my God, I almost fell. For those that know. Girl, what the heck? Don't do that. Just step down, Nana. Just a step, yeah. My car froze. Oh, Lordy.
Guys, it's snowing in East Texas. Let's see.
Dang, we trying to make an igloo, y'all. Let's see, do it work out. We'll keep y'all up updated on the process.
Get in the rest. Get in the box. Get in the box. Leo. Lock me up in jail.
Ice wall. I did say it was an igloo, but I don't know how it's gonna turn to igloo. So we're gonna say ice wall, ice fort, if you will. That's why I said ice wall, ice fort. Ice white around here, boo. My snowman, my man-made snowshoes. You know what I'm saying? Just to let y'all know, if you don't have any boots, put your tennis shoes on, couple pair of socks, and if you put these bags around your feet, it keep them insulated. What happened?
I fell.
Well, you fell.
Yeah, she fell.
Girl, get it off of you. It's cold, girl. You gonna get the thermometer, girl.
Fell. Back there.
Oh, it's slushed up right there. That's why.
Watch out, there's water.
Watch out, it's water right there.
Oh, guys, look above you.
Oh my God.
Dun, 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 dun.
You can not even get up underneath that.
It's
That's what's
wiggling
making
around,
that.
it's wiggling. I saw it move. It's moving.
Oh my God, look at that, y'all.
It's moving. Oh my goodness. It's gonna fall. That was a big one. Don't go into that. That's moving.
Oh my God, look over there, y'all.
Huh?
Look,
Oh.
come on.
Mama, that's where the pipe goes.
What?
The pipe
What?
goes right there. The pipe.
Huh?
Can you go get us some spray water with some water in it? Cold water?
Yeah, hold on. Ooh, that's a hole. What?
That's a hole right there.
Y'all,
Mom, look at that.
I know. That's why I'm trying to get it, baby. I
Mama,
know.
look at that one. It's about
Look
to
at it.
fail. It's about to fail. Dun, dun. Let's go explore some more.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, that was
was.
dropping ice.
And I already fell in the hole. Yeah, you see how it made the ground, Jamario?
They ain't over no damn power line. So this big one is
Rita, it could be the top.
Whatever you do, don't fall. Hold on, there's somebody over there. Oh, that's y'all. They scared us, y'all. Look, they was in the woods.
Go.
You might. On the first try. Womp womp.
Man, them slick ass gloves.
I figured that's what it is.
He did the same thing.
Womp womp.
He's gonna get it. Oh! Hit it. Hit it with that.
I ain't knocked down one piece. That mug is big.
Knock it down. Watch out.
This ain't thick.
You gonna need something thick and hard. Look at that. It's only gonna break off pieces.
Oh, maybe that first one.
Right.